Tense weather that we're following across the country, Alana.
Yeah, and closer to home, we have a winter storm that's really going to get a great grip on the Beehive State as we head through the next several hours. I want to show you the areas underneath those winter alerts. That includes Salt Lake County and the surrounding Wasatch Front, the mountains. Salt Lake County is underneath a winter storm warning. So's the high country, but only part of it will get there. Live view from Logan. Look at Old Main. You can see that flag whipping in the wind. The winds are the indicator that change is coming. It's a strong southwesterly flow that's aided in above average temperatures. Live view from southern Utah. Right now we're sitting at 63 in Salt Lake. That's above average. 70 degrees in St. George. We've got 60s on the eastern side of the state. Coming off of a mild weekend, a big change is ahead of us over the next several hours. Increasing cloud cover and then wet weather as we get closer to 9 p.m. ABC4 News at 10 should bring in some valley rain with those temperatures in the low 50s. But behind that front, colder air will drop our snow levels, and that is going to change the game. There's the front ahead of it. We have mild conditions with that southwesterly flow, wet weather filling in, and that's going to bring valley snow, perhaps some of the highest valley snow totals of the season. We're sitting at 7,500 feet for snow levels right now, but the cold front will move in and drop that snow level to the valley floor and keep it there throughout Tuesday and into Wednesday. Precipitation type could be mixed, turning to straight snow and snow showers. By Thursday, we start to see an increase with that snow level. Impacted routes for the Tuesday morning commute. Forewarning you early that yes, you're going to see it. Big portion of I-15, I-215, I-80, 89, 84, I-70 in central Utah, and then SR-143 all the way up to Bryan Head. Road snow expected. Salt Lake County underneath that winter storm warning. This goes into effect at midnight. We'll hold on until 6 p.m. tomorrow. The only other winter storm warning, the southern Wasatch Mountains. Why is it that only two areas are going to be underneath the warning? Well, it's lake effect. Here we are in the middle of March with a cold air mass moving over the warming lake that is going to enhance snowfall totals in that area, so we are looking at bigger numbers. I'll show you just how much here in a moment. Winter weather advisories for the rest of northern Utah and into the central portion of the state, the Tooele and Rush Valleys. Utah County, northern Wasatch Front, Cache Valley, Wasatch Back are remaining mountain ranges underneath winter weather advisories. The Sanpete Valley, Juab and Millard County, all the way down to southwestern Utah, where Cedar City will be getting accumulating snow. It will be rain in St. George. Here's the front on the move, this area of low pressure crossing into the state this evening. Behind it, lots of wet weather with cold air. Ahead of it, some showery moisture in central and southern Utah. It's going to sweep through and we get heavy precipitation to follow. Here we are by 2 a.m. Darker blue indicating that heavier snowfall. The model wants to keep some of it rain. It's possible, but not likely. The temperature will be right near freezing, so sloppy snow expected. Here we are with that lake effect over Salt Lake County by 5 a.m. We see a lot of snow on the central portion of the state and the I-15 corridor during the morning commute, and we keep snow showers through the afternoon with that northwesterly flow. Colder air with below average temperatures and snow showers expected for your Tuesday. Brief high pressure setting up Wednesday with additional wet weather potential into Thursday. Here's a look at how much. 2 to 6 inches for the valleys of Salt Lake County. The benches go 6 to 12. Thanks, lake effect. Other valleys, including the northern Wasatch Front all the way into central and southern Utah, 1 to 3 inches. Benches in Tooele County, Davis County, Salt Lake County, higher, but 4 to 8 for the rest. Utah County, a trace to 2. Benches in that area, about 3 to 6. The Wasatch Back at 3 to 9. Cache Valley will go 1 to 3 and 2 to 5 inches for the I-15 corridor, and Cedar City and Fillmore will be in that category as well. Mountains will pick up healthy snow, 5 to 10 in the south, 1 to 2 feet for the southern Wasatch Mountains, so the Cottonwoods will get healthy snow. Upper Cottonwoods could get closer to 30. We saw it happen last week. Wet weather potential remains elevated as we make it through the work week here. We get another chance of precip potential midweek, 30s and low 40, hitting 40 in Salt Lake tomorrow, below average statewide. Here's a check on that St. George 7-day. Rain showers for tomorrow. Spring officially starts on Thursday as this winter storm barrels through the state. Notice the Wasatch Front with those conditions getting below average and staying there for a few days. We eventually will warm things back up. Additional wet weather potential on Saturday. You know we need the moisture, so I call this the luck of the Irish.
Irish.
Yeah.
Is this not so Utah?
It's so, I mean, in the
Right?
middle of March, you never sleep
Yeah.
on March. We get these late winter storms, and this is when lake effect says, hold my mic. I'm
Yeah.
going for it.
The luck of the Irish. Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Is that like a college degree thing? Or?
This, it's my dad's scarf from Ireland.
like it.
It's okay.
Very nice.
It's pretty legit.
Very nice. I like it.
Thanks.